guys, welcome to myToyS TV. Today I'm on the table. And today I'm just gonna do it like this. What video should we do? Should we do this one first? Or the Death Trooper first? Okay, say hi, cameraman.
Hi.
Use your finger.
Hello.
Okay, this is Star Wars. His name is Death Trooper.
From the Star Wars Rouge One.
Why you talk so?
This is Imperial
Talk
Death
louder.
Trooper.
Imperial Death Trooper!
Disney, Hasbro, blah, 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 blah.
If you know how to read this language, comment down below.
Yeah, they got all sorts of languages. They got
Blah, blah, blah.
English, French, Deutsch, which means Germany, Spanish, Portuguese, Italian,
Warning!
Dutch. S is what I don't know. Swedish. DK means Denmark. Danish. N means Norwegian. Fin, Fin means Finnish. GR means Greek. PL means Polish.
Poland.
H means Hungarian. TR means Turkish. CZ means Czechs. SK means Slovakia. RO means Romania. RU means Russia. BG means Bulgaria. HR means I don't know. LT means Lithuania. SR Slovenia. UKR means Ukraine. HR is, if I'm right, Croatia. Well, anyway, you want to unpack it now or what?
Yes. Do you have an app from this one? This
I
one
guess
you
they got
have
an app. Yeah, but I don't have downloaded it yet.
What if it needs money? Don't do that. You just stop the other box. Is there tape? Oops, sorry.
Well, actually, we bought this for a long time, from last year.
Yes.
But we just put it in the shelf or the storage box for a long time.
What? This top thing is broke. What? You don't need to take that thing out. You just already took it out. This got a gun.
Oh, they got some brochures. Star Wars brochures.
I say flyers. Here's him. Let's take him out first. Let's take the gun out first.
Useless boxes.
Okay, here's his gun. You show him, cameraman.
Which character do you like most in a Star Wars?
You tell me.
You like Jedi?
What?
You like Skywalker? You like Darth Vader?
No.
You like
This thing
yourself?
is a bad guy.
They got new Star Wars episodes. They said
Yeah.
they're gonna make some more new ones.
Episode 8.
Actually, the Star Wars story is talking about for more than 40 years old. The first one is actually from 1977.
Really?
You are not yet born, of course. It's talking about
What about
41
the
years
last
ago,
one?
42 years ago. The latest one?
Yeah, the latest one.
I don't know which one is the
Now?
latest one.
Episode 8.
Wow, he's so tall.
Let's compare him to the tall girl. Let's see who is taller. So, she's
But the girl got a
little-
high heel,
No.
right?
No, her feet cannot do it. If he does it, he's taller. Put her back. Why did I say? Put her up. Let's try to move his hand and hold the gun. Does this even work? Wait. I did it.
Yeah. Or you can twist his arm.
Pew, 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 pew. Everything is black, so it's hard to see. It's right here.
Yes.
Okay. Pew, 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 pew. Wait, I'm gonna take something.
What?
We're gonna take some Play-Doh. Or pretend Play-Doh, and pretend is pew, pew.
Pretend to be a bullet?
Yes.
Well, actually, they shoot a laser. It's a laser gun. It's not a convention weapons with a bullet.
Yeah, I know. But they don't.
You see
they
his
don't
head?
need to reload
You
it.
see his head?
My head is way bigger than him.
Yeah.
Do I have to move on to the next video? Okay, let's move on to the next one, which is pew! Pew!